There's three main types of font: serif, sans serif and script. A serif font has lines called serifs at the end of each character, as you can see at the top and the bottom of the S, for instance, and the bottom of the F and the bottom of the R. A sans serif font is without serifs and doesn't feature these lines at the end of each character. A script font is a handwriting style font in a very neat format. Now, whilst that covers the primary three, there are derivatives of these fonts which I find myself using in logo design occasionally, so I've featured these in the questionnaire. As you can see, the additional fonts are block, decorative and heavy script. A heavy script is basically just a bolder version of a script font, and this is quite popular with clients, and so I've featured it in the questionnaire. So we'll take a closer look at these fonts, and the first is block, and it's named so because it's made of block capitals. You'll find quite often block fonts are sans serif, though there can be serif also. Likewise of the decorative font, which is beneath, this can also be a serif or a sans serif. In this case, the font does have some decorative elements, hence its name. In the E, for instance, and the C, these could be classified as serifs, but many would say this font is in fact a sans serif. The most important thing to remember is a font of this nature is called a decorative font, because you will have to make use of the categories, the category names on font websites. So the next is heavy script. As you might have guessed, this is just a bolder version of the script font you see to your left in a different style. So basically, if you're looking for a handwriting style font which looks as if it's being done with a paintbrush, a heavy script font might be what you're looking for. So that covers the primary three fonts and three derivatives, and those fonts that you're going to see in the logo design questionnaire.